Hey, it's Troy Casey, the Certified Health Nut, here in this magical place called the Grand Canyon. We've been here for a week, and I have a renewed energy towards the earth, as if I need it to be renewed. So I've been out here drying out from the mold situation that we have in our house in Los Angeles. It's becoming a serious issue because the landlord is not wanting to remediate it properly, professionally contain the mold. And so I've had the kids out here for a week in the Grand Canyon, 5 days in Sedona, and we plan on going back to Sedona. And so yeah, I encourage everyone to get back out there, connect with nature, and just love life, enjoy life. Let's get back to, the essence of what's happening on the planet, which is awesomeness. This place is awesome. I'm going to come back eventually and go down to the Colorado River. You got to wait a year to get reservations for that. So this was just a quick video to tell everybody love and blessings from the biggest hole in the earth. Assalamu alaikum.